loves. So I know it's a beautiful day already because I hear the ice cream man outside. Not that my vegan butt can have any, but it brings back nostalgia. Okay, so I am coming at you guys today with a very quick video. So as you can see, I have bleached my locks again. So it's very important to also protect your hair even when in locks.
I wanted to let you guys know this video is sponsored by Pantene. However, you guys know my reviews are 100% honest. So let's get into this review.
Your girl is gonna have to chill because I've been wearing a lot of ponytails and it's just no bueno right now. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna protective style. So this is one of my favorite wigs despite what it looks like. It's been like, you know, tucked away in the closet in storage. You know how that goes. But I'm going to revive this wig today. So I'm super excited because I got these two brand new Pantene Prov dry shampoo and dry conditioner. This one is the Never Tell dry shampoo and this one is the dry conditioner Misbehaving. I'm gonna revive my wig with this. You know how sometimes we wash our wigs and then we kind of put them up in like boxes or storage. In this case, it came in this little pouch, so I put it back in that. But you know, you want to refreshen it, but at the same time, I don't feel like shampooing this wig right now. It's just not about to happen. I got places to be. I'm gonna take this ponytail down so I can save my hair from any excess damage. And by damage, I mean like the excessive pulling that I'm doing by having it in these tight ponytails up on the top of my head. So we're just gonna let it relax. I'm just going to put my hair back in a loose ponytail. Obviously, if you want, you could also braid your hair, but since my locks are getting a bit longer, the easiest thing for me right now is actually putting it in a ponytail because I'm not the best braider. So I just put in a nice little ponytail like this, a little bun, and that way my edges aren't pulled and they're just, everything's just really relaxed. So that is the whole point. We're protecting our hair. This unit is a kinky straight. I made a video about this a few months back, but I love this wig because since it's kinky straight, it allows me to cover up my locks with Now that we got our Dinah Ross going on, we're gonna first start with the dry shampoo, the Never Tell. And basically this is just gonna freshen up the hair and it's gonna save us, or save us, it's gonna save me time from having to go shampoo this hair. So the reason why I love dry shampoos is because it saves you time, one, and especially if you have super oily hair, sometimes we put extra oils in our weaves and our wigs and it weighs down the hair. Dry shampoos are really great for that because it's able to kind of like suck up all that excess oil that we don't need that's kind of wearing the hair down. So I'm all about it. I'm just gonna spray lightly, and as you can, ooh, this smells good. As you can see, there's no residue left from this dry shampoo. That's major as well. So this is really just freshening up the hair and it smells freaking awesome. Look at that. All right, so I understand some of you probably like really sleek hair, but I'm the opposite. I love big hair because I have a big head. So I love big hair because to me it complements it. Pretty much now, as you can see, it's already like it helped me detangle this hair. I'm gonna follow up with the Pantene Misbehaving Dry Conditioner Spray. Oh my God, this smells heavenly. Wow. Oh my gosh, what is this smell? I don't know what this smell is, but it's amazing. But this contains 0 sulfates, no parabens. It instantly hydrates to smooth over misbehaving hair. This daily dry conditioner mist with provitamin B5, omega-9, aloe vera, and jojoba oil does it all. Instantly hydrates and nourishes to smooth unruly frizz and flyaways with all-day discipline. I love, I love, I love. And I love jojoba oil. I love that for my skin and my hair, so hype about it. But y'all, I thought this one smelled good. This conditioner is heavenly. Already, like instantly, this hair is so much softer. Like I am not even kidding you guys. This hair is silky soft right now. Wow, oh my God, this smells so good. All right, so again, I'm just gonna brush this in, and again, there's no residue, no white flakes, none of that. Wow, look how like tamed this has made this hair. Not even when I got this hair was it this tame. That's crazy. Oh my. We are gonna just do a really quick style. Honestly, what I could already say is I'm obsessed with this dry conditioner spray. This is going to be my holy grail for wigs because this hair feels so baby soft, like instantly. Oh my gosh. Like if my hair was not locked, I would definitely put this on my natural hair. It feels, I kid you not, this is everything. And what I also love, it's not like this unnatural sheen, because I do like sheen, don't get me wrong, but I don't like the over, like I look like I just dumped a whole bunch of coconut oil on my scalp. Like, I don't like that. But this is like, oh my goodness, I wish you guys could feel this hair. I just fell in love. This just became my holy grail for my weaves. That quick, that fast. So I'm just gonna put some light curls in it. Wow, look at how beautiful this curl is. Okay, first of all, the wig did not even curl this amazing when I first got it. I definitely think it has something to do with this conditioner because that was effortless. Okay, we're just gonna move on. Here we go, here we go. And I'm not making them perfect at all because again, I love big hair, I love messy hair. I love like the old SZA type looks. I used to love her hair because I love that it was just like effortless and it was just messy, but it was tousled, but it was beautiful to me. So I've always loved hair like that. I don't like overly neat and done hair, but that's just me. Unless it's my real hair. I don't know. When I do my weaves, I prefer like excessively big weaves. Maybe that's just because my hair is naturally fine. So when I do have weaves, I like to go over the top Dinah Ross. But yeah, we're just gonna put some loose curls in this. Wow, you guys have no idea how soft this hair is now. How cute. Already, I'm in love. I'm gonna curl this outward. I'm not even joking, y'all. This has made flat ironing this hair so much easier. This like conditioner is bomb. Wow. Look at it. Old SZA vibes. When I say this made the flat iron glide on this hair so amazingly, like I kid you not, like this is amazing. And it smells like candy. Like, I'm in love. To revive any of your wigs, I definitely suggest that you check out the Pantene Prov line. This new line that they have for their dry shampoo and their dry conditioner mist is the truth. If you guys have any questions about this product, definitely check the link in the description box. I will link where you can get these two products. But oh gosh, I'm sorry, I gotta do this conditioner one again. It's like I thought the shampoo smelled good and then the conditioner said, nah, I got this. I can't even explain what it smells like, but just candy. That's the first thing that comes to mind. Like Starburst, the pink ones, like yummy. So you guys, these two products are awesome. Like I honestly am so shocked about how amazing this made the hair look. I don't know if you can see, look at that sheen. You see that like sheen? It just looks so natural and it's not overly done, because some conditioner mists, they either one, they leave residue where it's like these like white flakes or this white film, or some of them just make the hair look overly shiny, and it just, I don't like that look. I like hair to look very like tousled and natural. So these two in conjunction just literally revived this wig. Y'all see my rat's nest that I pulled out of this damn bag, and they said, it's good, we got you. So definitely check out these products. On the back it says treat your way to a great hair day, and they were not lying. I'm about to go. I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I will see you lovelies later. Of course, if you want to keep up with me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, and I'll see you later. Deuces. Bye guys.